Again, if you get the right people in the right roles, and it's not the smartest people, it's not the hardest working people, it's the people who, this constellation of attributes that you're looking for that you think are right for you and your organization at this point in time, match up to that. Don't ever lose sight of why you do what you do. And that's to bring forward innovation for patients because they need it.
Every once in a while, I come across a story that reminds me why I started this podcast. Not just a company, not just a leader, but a mission so clear, so urgent that it pulls science out of the lab and into the lives of people who are running out of time.
The culture and the values are really important. They're likely different from one company to the next. I think there's some similar themes, i.e. this patient-centricity theme, but it's critical that you have those and that you can communicate those and that you can live those.
This is one of those stories. Right now, there's a company called Fibrogen doing some of the most boundary-pushing work in oncology and anemia. They're not chasing buzzwords or headlines. They are focused on something far more meaningful, building potential first-in-class medicines for diseases that don't wait: metastatic and locally advanced pancreatic cancer, chemotherapy-induced anemia, and resistant prostate cancers where options are painfully few.
You got the patient that is served by, ultimately, does the drug provide a good benefit risk profile for an individual patient? You got the regulators who ultimately determine that if that is the case.
But what makes Fibrogen different isn't just the science, it's how they're doing it by leveraging body's own natural pathways to fight back, not just treating symptoms, but challenging the biology of these diseases at their root.
Fibrogen had been the innovator in a new category of anemia products. The category was called HIF-PHIs. It ultimately led to the achievement of the Nobel Prize for Medicine and Physiology in 2020 as well.
And at the helm of that mission is a man I've come to deeply admire. Thane Wetting is the CEO of Fibrogen. He's the kind of leader who brings steadiness in the storm and clarity in a world that often rewards chaos. Today we talk about science, yes, but also about resilience, leadership, risk. What's your advice for biotech leaders trying to find their way right now?
Have belief in what you're trying to do, right? Have belief in your science, have belief in your team, have belief in what you're trying to do on behalf of patients.